Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create WhatsApp group. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp, then click on the message icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you see the option of new group. So simply click on that and you can just select with scrolling down, or you just type the name of the person which you want to add into your group. So I want to add this person, and then click on the check mark, and here you just type the name of the group. So I'll type Wall Street, and then click on check mark again, and your group is created. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.